So we got this CRV Diff in today from P2R. They want us to put our locking plate in. Go ahead and put that in here, and then we're gonna weld the shaft inside here, and then also we're gonna clean it up and then lock everything up, seal the back up and all that, and then ship it back to them. Guess they're doing something all-wheel drive.
Something special. Is it gonna be V6, you think?
Should be.
All right.
Yeah, I like to see this V6 all-wheel drive. That's what I'm guessing. That's what they're doing. So we're gonna go ahead and take it apart.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
That's it. The last one usually gets suction, so you gotta use brake fluid. I mean, brake parts cleaner, not brake fluid, right?
Brake parts cleaner.
Booyaka.
You know, use brake fluid, my dude.
Yo, 6 months into art, I go over there and I'm like, wow, go on.
Yeah, 6 months.
He won't. 6 months into it, he's back into country.
And Mustang.
Well, you know, we got the Mustang. Take this thing off. There you go. So usually where this thing will break, it'll break right here, this spot right here.
So we're gonna
So what I like to do, we're gonna just grind it down a little bit to get all this coating off, and then we're gonna weld it right here.
It's all back.
Yep, you can see it's all welded back on there, all the way. So now what we're gonna put this back in. We took all this stuff out so it doesn't spin the pump. Put that back in here. So this just acts just like a brace, basically, because we took all this stuff out. We're gonna leave this out, and that's what makes it the pump work. So we have these are pretty much trash. The only thing that we're keeping is this part. So all this right here, and this part here is all trash. Take that out. And now we're gonna take this. And you can actually go see the ones here. We just like to just go ahead and put this on here like so. One facing one. There we go. Like it. Once that gets on here, you can just stack it. There you go. And you got the one, just stack it all facing the same way. It makes it easier. And that's it. And then this one here goes on top like this. But what we like to do on this one here is to hold it in place. Yes. I just like to clean this up a little bit. And we put it back in here like this because now that thing locks. That's what they're talking about, locking plate. So the whole thing's gonna lock. So see, I kind of grind it down a little bit, and we're just gonna tack 1, 2, 3. So this way here doesn't move. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's all kept in the basket. So when we put it on, the reason why we do that is because it's easier for us to go ahead and put this in here like this, so it doesn't fall apart.
Keep it together. Okay.
Yeah. So you can see we tacked it in, so no, all that won't come apart now. So now the next thing is go ahead and clean this thing out so we can put our TV in here and put everything back together. So clean up all this in here. So before, what we used to do, we used to take this nut off and take everything off, you know. But we found out it's a lot easier doing it this way, just taking these bolts off here and then taking the whole thing apart, you know, to do it this way like this on these. Okay, so now once it's all cleaned up and all that, we're gonna put some RTV on here. All right, got the RTV on here. Let's go ahead. So this is the reason why when you put this on here like that, if you don't have this, the whole thing is gonna slide out. So now we could just go put it on. This thing here, turn it a little bit until it catches. There it goes. There it is. And then just start putting these back on. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
And then what we like to do is let it dry up and all that. Once it dries up, then we'll go and clean everything up a little bit. So all this right here is just all trash.
And that's all trash right
That's
there,
all
guys.
trash, yeah.
And we are done. All it needs now is fluids, and if you want to replace these seals, you can. And that's it. P2R. Hope you enjoy it.